Hi, this is your video on how to complete the problems on the 1-4 practice on McGraw-Hill. I've decided to do them in the McGraw-Hill app just so that you can all see what the format of the questions look like. Let me resize this a little bit. There we go. Okay, that looks good. So this is the 1-4 practice. We'll see what interesting twists and turns they have for us. I haven't done this yet, so this is my first time going through it. This question has two parts. First, answer part A, then answer part B. Part A, the cost of pumpkins is shown in the table. Okay, looks nice and proportional. I'm liking it. Starts at 0, 0. You would expect the cost to be constant. Graph the relationship for 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 pumpkins on the coordinate plane. So how do we do that graphing thingy? I guess we click point. Or do we just click on it? Oh, maybe we'll just click on it. Okay, so for 0, 0, let's see if we can put a point right here. 0, 0. Ah, it worked. All right, 1, 4. So one pumpkin will cost you $4. And 2, 8, 2 pumpkins will cost you $8. And 3 pumpkins are 12. 3 pumpkins are 12. And 4 is 16? Yep. 4 are 16. All right, so we've graphed the points. Complete the sentence to describe the proportionality of the graph. The relationship shown in the graph is proportional because it is a straight line that passes through the origin. That's what you're going to want to go with on that one, right? Next question. This question has two parts. First, answer part A, then part B. The table shows the temperature in degrees Celsius and their equivalent temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit. Not liking this. On a separate piece of paper, graph the relationship. Really? That's what you're going to do? Scan and upload your graph? Oh, we're not going to do that. I guess you'd have to, kind of, huh? All right, so I guess I'll hand you out some graph paper, and you will graph this on graph paper. That'll be fun, right? All right, so let's see. This, I can tell you right now, is not going to be proportional because it doesn't have a 0, 0. All right, so let's see what these drop-down boxes say. The relationship shown in the graph is non-proportional because it is a straight line that does not pass through the origin, okay? So apparently on this, you're going to have graph paper. That's fine. You won't have to upload your graph. You can just hand it to me. Unless you're working from home. Then you can feel free to upload it. Next question. Question number 3. I like it better when they give us the graph. The total cost of online streaming is proportional to the number of months. What is the constant of proportionality? Well, remember, we can find the constant of proportionality from any one point on the graph. So let's see, this one's kind of hard to tell where that one is. I'm going to prefer to maybe use this one because it lies in an exact crossing point. All right, so this would be the point 230. Let me be 230. All right, this is your x, this is your y. The constant of proportionality is y over x. So we would write 30 over 2. Now we need it to be a unit rate. We need a 1 to be in the bottom, so we're going to divide top and bottom by 2, and that's going to give us 15 over 1. So this is our constant of proportionality. Now over here, we're going to type 15 in the box. You don't have to put the over 1. It might even mark it wrong if you do. You never know with McGraw-Hill. Play it safe and just type 15. Okay. And is that all there is for this one? Yep. Next question. Well, let me get rid of all my writing here. Next question. Question number 4. The cost per slice of pizza is proportional to the number of slices as shown in the graph. Well, now I'm going to be hungry. The point 0, 0 represents a total cost of 0 for 0 slices of pizza. The point 1, 2. Okay, well, 1 would mean 1 slice of pizza costs $2. So a cost of $2 for 1 slice of pizza. Be real careful there because this is they're saying the cost first, so they're saying y first. Okay, saying $2 for one slice of pizza. Make sure you get that there in the right order. Question 5. The table shows the number of calories Jose and Natalie burned after 1, 2, and 3 minutes of running. Okay. On a separate piece of paper, graph the relationship between the number of minutes running and the number of calories burned for each person. Then scan and upload your answer. No, just write it on the paper I gave you and turn it in. The ordered pair that represents the unit rate for the proportional relationship is, okay, so now we're looking, remember when we did examples, like one of them would not be a proportion. So let's look at how these increase. Jose goes up by 8, and then this is up by 7. That is not up by 8. And then this goes up by 8. So it goes up 8, up 7, up 8. That is not constant. This is not a proportion. It's not going to make a straight line when we graph it. Natalie, however, goes up by 5, up by 5, up by 5. That is a proportion. So we're looking for the point where Natalie has burned calories for 1 minute, okay? For 1 minute. At 1 minute, she burned 5 calories, okay? So the point we're looking for is 1,5. The ordered pair that represents the unit rate for the proportional relationship is, now remember, you want the y value. Oh, let me see. Do they want the y value? Let me look at the teacher's book on this one. They want you to put it in, the point in XY format. So you're going to put the X number first, the 1, and the Y number second, 5. Okay. And then you're going to click Done and Review. You're going to turn in these papers. Now it says these are incomplete because these were the ones they wanted you to upload. Question 5. Let's go back to question 5. Did I not answer it all? No, it's another upload, so that's why it thinks I'm not finished with it. So yours is going to say this too, and you're fine. Go ahead and submit it and just make sure you turn in the paper that you did your graphs on. Okay? So I hope that helps you get a good grade on this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time once I figure out how to turn this off. Turn it off. Pause. I don't know. I got nothing. Oh, there. No. How do I turn it off? Turn off. Well, this you could just stop watching now because I have no idea how to turn this off. It's like it's disappeared there.